looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Cherokee Limited in Granite Crystal Metallic. With adaptive cruise control with stop and go, Jeep Active Drive, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, only 8,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7268.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.